Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable BMW ConnectedDrive remote services, detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable BMW ConnectedDrive remote services, start by entering your BMW vehicle. Ensure that the ignition is on, but the engine does not need to be running. Open the infotainment system by pressing the iDrive controller. Navigate to the menu option on the display screen. Scroll down and select the Settings option. In the Settings menu, look for the ConnectedDrive section. Select ConnectedDrive to access your remote services settings. Find and choose the option labeled Remote Services. Within this menu, look for the toggle switch or checkbox for enabling remote services. To disable the services, switch the toggle to the off position or uncheck the box. Once the change is made, confirm any prompts that may appear to apply the changes. Return to the main menu and ensure the settings are saved. You may also want to check the BMW Connected app on your smartphone. Open the app and navigate to the Settings section. Look for the option related to remote services. Disable the remote services option within the app as an additional step. Finally, restart your vehicle's infotainment system to ensure the changes take effect. You have now successfully disabled BMW ConnectedDrive remote services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.